So this is the part 4 of making a portfolio website only by using HTML and CSS. So let's go to the Visual Studio. So in previous video we had created 3 divs. We will smooth the corners first. To smooth the corner we will use the border radius property of the CSS. We will give the border radius to the 10 pixels. Let's refresh it. Here you can see the borders are now smooth. Let's give them some shadow. We will use the box shadow. We will give it 3 pixels in the horizontal, 5 pixels in the vertical, and 5 pixels for the blur. We will set the RGBA property to the 1, 1 and 0.3 so that it looks gray. Here you can see there is a little bit of shadow. We will add the transform property in them so that if we hover on them they should get scale. So let's go to VS Code. To use the hover property, first type the class name, ID, or just tag. We have class, so we will use the class. And type hover. We will use the transform, scale. We will scale it to 1.2 times. Let's refresh it. Here you can see if we hover on them they are scaling 1.2 times, but it doesn't look good. It should be smooth. So let's go to the VS Code. To smooth the transform we will use the transition duration property. We will set it to 0.5 seconds. Now refresh it. Now you can see if we hover on them the transform is smooth now and it looks good. But if something is scaling, the shadow should be more bigger and darker. So let's go to CSS. We will set that box shadow to the 6 pixels from the horizontal, 10 pixels from the vertical, 10 pixels for the blur. We will set the RGBA to the 1, 1 and 0.6 so that it could be darker. Let's refresh it. Now you can see if that box is scaling, the shadow is also getting bigger and darker. So that is for today. Like this video, subscribe the channel. Bye.